Okay, finishing it off. Josh is baking a multi-tier cake for a friend's wedding. An 8-inch cake will feed 25 guests. That looks like it's important, so I'm gonna make sure I know. This type of cake will feed 25 people. A 12-inch cake will feed 33 people. In total, there will be at least 144, and that's the key word right there. Again, I already know these words. I'm just gonna help you lead it to the way, but at least is the key word. If I come back to my front side, looking for at least, oh, there it is. At least, greater than or equal to. Definitely pretty cool to have that little thing, that little table full of words. It just takes time, you know. Some teachers, including myself, we still need reference back to it, so it's okay. It's okay. But I know for sure a lot of the key things will be at least, no more than, all that good stuff. Okay, let's keep rocking and rolling. After that, 8-inch tiers, so 25 is my X, 12 is my Y, so 33 is my Y. Put it in together, 25X, 33Y, greater than or equal to 144. And like I said in the previous video, you can solve for Y. I was actually doing it before the video. It's gonna be pretty messy, but you just do what you gotta do. Subtract your X's, divide by your Y's. Have your Y is greater than or equal to whatever the slope is, whatever the y-intercept is. I'll do that specific part right here, but for right now, that's just the rhythm. Don't forget you could do it. Last problem, talking about Felix. Felix is purchasing hammers and wrenches for his workshop, and he would like to spend under $100. There's a key word, under. I'm gonna circle 100 because that's the big number. If each hammer costs $5 and each wrench costs $8, select the inequality. Of course, this was multiple choice. I erased it, but we get the point. Okay. X is hammers. Y is wrenches. And that's the total. Let's check what under is. Under, less than. Oh, I think I did a pretty good job. We did a less than equal to, did a greater than, did a greater than equal to, and now we're doing a less than. Cool. So yeah, under is less than. Nice. So we have a nice little notes packet that talked about every little symbol, just in case you're still curious as to what you're looking at. So under is going to be less than. We write it out real quick. 5x plus 8y is less than $100. Beautiful. Show you real quick with the whole solving. Remember, we could solve using the symbols, still subtracting my 5 on both sides. 5 minus 5 cancels on this side. Bringing down my 8y just to make it look nice and neat. I cannot subtract these. They're not like terms. I can rewrite them using 5x plus 100. And then we just divide by our y. Boom, boom. 8, 8, 8. Those cancels. There's my y. Bring down my symbol. I did not have to flip my symbol because these are all positive, so that looks good. Definitely use your calculator just in case you need to reduce. 5x. You do have to reduce here by 4. So I believe it's 25/2. This goes to this if you use your calculator if you need to. Just in case, don't forget, if we have a graph, I just want to show y'all. Oops, that was not a beautiful line, that's okay. If we had a graph, this looks like it's 12.5, so somewhere right here between 12 and 13, it would cut through my y-intercept. And because it's a negative number, it would go down 5 over to the right, down 5 over to the right, and so on. This is dashed. This is what we did before. And below. Of course, my graph is not extremely accurate. I'm just trying to show you the stuff. And then we would shade below this line. Now, I only did quadrant 1 because we can't have negative x's and negative y's. Reason behind that is because we can't have negative wrenches and negative hammers. We can only have positive wrenches and positive hammers. So what's pretty cool is after we graph this specific inequality, anything that's in this area is how many we could buy. So if we choose a point right here, and this is, let's say, like 1, 5. I can buy 1 hammer and 5 wrenches. If I come over here, and let's say it's 10 and 2, I can buy 10 hammers and 2 wrenches, and so on and so forth. Pretty cool. Definitely next time when we talk about more of systems, when we're graphing and converting from verbal to inequalities, we'll talk more about that. Other than that, y'all have a terrific day.